Hello guys, today I will do a comparison of Realme GT 2 Master Explorer versus Xiaomi 12S Ultra. So let's get start the video. Let's talk about display type. Realme GT 2 has an OLED display and Xiaomi 12S Ultra has an AMOLED display. Resolution. Realme GT 2 has 1080p resolution and Xiaomi 12S Ultra has 1440p resolution. Aspect ratio. Realme GT 2 and Xiaomi 12S Ultra, both the phone have 20:9 aspect ratio. A screen to body ratio. Realme GT 2 has 90.4% screen to body ratio and Xiaomi 12S Ultra has 89% screen to body ratio. A screen size. Realme GT 2 has 6.7 inches screen size and 12S Ultra has 6.73 inches screen size. Pixel density. Realme GT 2 has 393 ppi pixel density and 12S Ultra has 522 ppi pixel density. Refresh rate. Realme GT 2 and Xiaomi 12S Ultra, both the phone have 120Hz high refresh rate. Protection. Realme GT 2 has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection and Xiaomi 12S Ultra has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Weight. Realme GT 2 has 195 gram weight and 12S Ultra has 225 gram weight. Dust and water resistance. Realme GT 2 support dust and water resistance and Xiaomi 12S Ultra support IP68. Chipset. Realme GT 2 and Xiaomi 12S Ultra, both the phone have Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus generation first processor. GPU. Realme GT 2 and Xiaomi 12S Ultra, both the phone have Adreno 730 GPU. Processor. Realme GT 2 and Xiaomi 12S Ultra, both the phone have octa-core 3.19 GHz clock speed. Operating system. Realme GT 2 has Android 12 Realme UI 3.0 and Xiaomi 12S Ultra has Android 12 MIUI 13. RAM. Realme GT 2 and Xiaomi 12S Ultra, both the phone have 8GB of RAM variant and 12GB of RAM variant. Internal storage. Realme GT 2 has 128 to 56GB internal storage or Xiaomi 12S Ultra has 128 to 56 512GB internal storage. Card slot. Realme GT 2 and Xiaomi 12S Ultra, both the phone have doesn't support any expandable card slot. Let's discuss about camera. Let's start with Realme GT 2 Explorer Master Edition. Its primary camera है 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide also 50 megapixel aperture 2.2 और micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 और SDR LED flash. Let's talk about Xiaomi 12S Ultra camera. Its primary camera has 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide also 48 megapixel aperture 2.2 और telephoto 48 megapixel aperture 4.2 और SDR LED flash. Front camera. Realme GT 2 has 16 megapixel front camera and 12S Ultra has 32 megapixel front camera. Rear camera max recording. Realme GT 2 can record 4K video at 30 or 60 fps and 12S Ultra can record 8K video at 24 fps. Front camera max recording. Realme GT 2 and Xiaomi 12S Ultra, both the phone can record 1080p video at 30 fps. Battery. Realme GT 2 has 5000 mAh battery and Xiaomi 12S Ultra has 4860 mAh battery. Fast charging. Realme GT 2 has 100 watt fast charger and Xiaomi 12S Ultra has only 67 watt fast charger. Let's talk about connectivity. Let's start with Realme GT 2. It's have a under-display fingerprint, 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C 3.1 or UFS 3.1. Let's talk Xiaomi 12S Ultra connectivity. It also support under-display fingerprint, 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C or UFS 3.1. Let's talk about price. Realme GT 2 come around $42,000 to $527 of 6GB RAM or Xiaomi 12S Ultra come around $70,000 of $875 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Realme GT 2 Explorer Master Edition versus Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Design wise both the phone have same design, display are also the good on both the phone. Camera is better on Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Hardware are same, connectivity are also the same, charging is better on GT 2 and price is also better on GT 2. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.